Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, gonna to show you how to disable window sound on Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to disable sound window on Windows 10 PC, so very easy. First, you click on Start. Now scroll down. Click on Windows System. After click on Control Panel. After click on Sound. Now click on Sound. And here click on this drop box. Click on No Sound. After click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to disable sound window on Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.